Want to create eye-catching thumbnails and stunning graphics in minutes? AI-powered design tools are changing the game. In this video, I'll show you how AI can make designing faster, easier, and more creative than ever before. Let's dive in. Designing graphics used to take hours, picking colors, fonts, and layouts manually. Now, AI tools do the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or designer, AI can speed up your workflow and enhance creativity. Let's check out some of the best AI tools for design. Canva AI instantly generates thumbnails with smart design suggestions. DALL-E in Adobe Firefly, AI-generated images for unique graphics. Vizsla, AI-powered video and graphic generation for content creators. Runway ML, AI-enhanced video and image editing for pro-level effects. Let's create a thumbnail in seconds. I'll type in a prompt, and boom, AI generates multiple options. You can tweak colors, fonts, and styles instantly. AI in design is just getting started. From automated branding to real-time style suggestions, the possibilities are endless. The future? AI will help you design with just your voice or a simple idea. Ready to level up your designs? Try these AI tools today and transform the way you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on your favorite AI design tool. See you in the next video.